Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant and today I am going to explain you how to score excellent rank within 24 hours. If you are prepared well and if you are studying good and if you are a repeater and if you want to score excellent rank in NEET PG 2024 exam, then there is some tricks how to score excellent rank, what to do, and how to attempt, how many MCQs you need to attempt. Okay, so guys, for that I have a subscription program. Earlier the fee was 5,000, now is 3,000 rupees only. So in that program you have to cover 8 small subjects. So a lot of MCQs are coming from 8 small subjects, and in that subject I provide you 100 one-liners for each subjects. 800 one-liners from each single subject. So 8 small subjects I cover 800 one-liners. Okay, so these are enough. And 19 subjects, all 19 subject, one single video, 30 minutes revision video I am going to provide you, and 500 recorded videos topic wise of all 19 subjects. So guys, now time is very much less, only 24 or 48 hours in your hands. So how to score excellent rank? So guys, you can take this subscription program. Fee of this subscription program is just only 3,000 rupees, less than one book. So cover 800 one-liners from 8 small subjects, do revision of 30 minutes revision video, all 19 subjects, and 500 recorded videos. If is it possible, you can sit in a one day, watch all 500 videos. That is possible. One video duration is 5 minutes only. Okay, so guys, this platform will help you to score excellent rank. Sometimes you don't know what type of MCQs in exam they like to ask you, what type of NEET PG 2024 pattern is it. So this video will help you, this subscription program will help you. So if you take this subscription program, do revision of 800 one-liners and 30 minutes rapid revision video, and if you have some time, then do revision of 500 recorded videos. Fee of that video is 3,000 rupees only, not too much, it's very less. And guys, I will provide you some tricks in this exam how to score excellent rank. 24 hours before the NEET PG 2024 exam, you can call me and ask how to crack, what are the tricks which helps you to crack this exam. So I will provide you these tricks also. But 24 hours before exam, if you take my subscription, you are eligible to call me and you are eligible to take subscription of this program. So guys, if you are interested, you can take this subscription program. How to join this subscription program? Details available in description of this video, and helpline WhatsApp number is also there. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, put like on it, and I definitely provide you some tricks which helps you to crack this exam. And you need to cover 29 or 30 minutes single rapid revision video of all 19 subjects plus 800 one-liners from 8 small subjects and 500 recorded videos. If it is possible, you can watch 100, 200, 300, how much is possible you can watch. And you are definitely, if you took my crash course program, I will allow you to call me and ask how to crack. Thank you. If you like this video, put like on it. Thank you. And how to join this subscription program, details available in description of this video. In that description, they provide you fees 5,000, but you need to pay only 3,000. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye.